Let's talk about combinations with replacement in this video. So combinations with replacement works similar to a regular combination problem. However, there's one difference. In combinations with replacement, when we take our sample of R elements from a set of n distinct objects, order matters and replacements are not allowed. And so the formula is going to change a bit. I'm going to put a link to this calculator in the comments, but for now, let's run a sample problem with n is 5 and r is 2. So when we're ready, click combinations with replacement. And what's going to happen is we're going to summarize the problem here. How many combinations from a sample of r elements and a set of n distinct objects where order does not matter, replacements are not allowed. And so a combination formula with replacements is as follows. It's n plus r minus 1 factorial, all divided by r factorial times n minus 1 factorial. So because we entered n as 5 and r as 2, we'll plug that in, simplify, evaluate, and we get this expression here. But we need to break down these factorials into their final value. So if you're familiar with factorials, then you'll know how to do this, but if you're not, I urge you to go back and watch the factorial video. But the factorial is just the product of all the numbers, including the number down to 1. So for 6 factorial, we're going to multiply 6, all the numbers inclusive, down to 1. We get this. We'll do the same thing with 2 factorial and then 4 factorial. Once we get our numbers, we plug them in, simplify, evaluate, and we get an answer of 15. So again, I will put a link to this calculator, and I want to thank you for watching.